Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome back. I decided yesterday before I put all that stuff away from Jewelry Making Fun collaboration that I wanted to make a few more pieces and use up some of the beads. I didn't use them all up, but I made another bracelet. It's just a simple strung bracelet using the chips, the steel blue crystals, and the sort of steel blue Druzy agate, which is electroplated, which I think I forgot to tell you yesterday. And I just used a lobster claw clasp from BB Craft and the same soft flex beading wire in the dark denim lapis. And then I did make a pair of earrings, and I used bead caps. I didn't use any in here, but on the original pieces, which you'll have to go look at yesterday's video for, some of them, the charms in the bracelet had these little bead caps, but I turned them the opposite direction, and I think they're really cute. They almost look like little dancing ladies to me. Um, yeah, and I thought that those sort of look like snowflakes. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, again, the Druzy, the crystals, and brought in the little 4 millimeter Labradorite on that. So those are the jewelry pieces. And then remember I said I had one of those flower beads left, and I had just a few Druzy left. Well, I made a charm. This was out of a pack from BB Craft that had multiple colors. It's a large enough charm for a purse, and it's a swivel. And this is a split ring. I don't remember where I got that. This was the last of those little, they called them petunia flowers. I know them as bell flowers. And this particular druzy was sort of flat on the top, so it's kind of hidden. And I put that on an eye pin, and then I used a jump ring to hook a little piece of chain from the same January 2023 bargain bead box. And I wire wrapped all these little charms, and I hooked them on though with a 4 millimeter silver plated jump ring. And the jump rings were from Fire Mountain, but all these beads were from the January 2023 bargain bead box. And I used all but about two or three of the chip beads, because some of them, like this one, was the last piece I did. And it has 3 chips on it, but they're so wonky, they don't, oh no, it was this one. They don't sit right. See how that is? It almost looks like feet, only different color feet. Anyway, you get the idea. So this was a Rolo chain, and I don't like them for charms, but I put a piece in every section, including the ones turned. Rolo chain goes like this, and then that, and then that, and then that. You get it? So the links are turned opposite directions. But I thought it would be all right. It's a lot of the same blues together and stuff, but I still like it. It's still sparkly and nice. I lay it out and I do like every other one. So on this side, you'd have um, except they flip over. That one goes over there. I did blue, the Labradorite, and then this one I did the Labradorite, the blue, the Labradorite, the blue, and then at the bottom, but it ends up when you hold it up, they all kind of just go together anyway. So, yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think. This is so big that it really makes this seem longer, but would you use this as a purse charm, or what would you use? Maybe a journal charm for winter, or even just if you have a blue journal. I like the colors in it. I was thinking about putting snowflakes on, but I decided not to. And because I think people will use it more if it's not specific to winter. This could be like a spring floral because of that, but um, without the snowflakes on it. It could be a floral. Anyway, that's it for my little extra items that I made with the materials I had out from Jewelry Making Fun collaboration. If you missed that, please go watch it and then hop along to everyone else. I will try and link it in the end screen here. So I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. We are still waiting on the snow that's supposed to come 5 to 6 inches, but it really does look like it's going to. So I'm fully expecting we'll get at least some of that. So we'll see. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.